Local Kenyan vehicle assemblies are urging the government to fully implement the Kenyan National Automotive Policy if the industry is to increase production of locally assembled cars, reduce cost to consumers and reduce the reliance on vehicles. The Associated Vehicle Assemblers say Kenya has the potential of supplying the rest of the continent if the policy is implemented.
The National Assembly approved the Kenyan National Automotive Policy, aimed at supporting the local motor vehicle assembly industry and drive growth of the use of new vehicles. However, players say since then the policy is yet to bear fruit.
So you see, the reason why people buy second-hand vehicles is because they are cheaper. However, if duty is less on locally assembled vehicles, then people will access to them, they'll be more affordable.
Data from the Kenya Motor Vehicle Industry Association shows that new vehicle sales in the Kenyan market declined to 13,352 units in 2022. Players are now looking at new ways to improve the appetite for local demand of new vehicles, especially in the e-mobility space.
If this gets implemented, then and especially if we make it suitable for EVs, then it becomes easier. When on EVs, they will import more and we can sell more and at a better price.
We have no choice. The policies have to change. And we are not planning on bringing any cars. We are planning to do it here. We'll take cars to the rest of Africa from Kenya.
Means that there is an opportunity for more locally assembled units in this space, with players saying they will invest in the sector, even as local policies look to catch up with the rest of the world.
Kenya market, that is for us, because Kenya is a very beautiful country, care about the environment, care about the pollution.
They were speaking Kenya Limited the launch of Neta electric vehicles in Kenya with a view of spreading into Africa from the country. The government so far has put in place a rough mobility space, including a special charging tariff for electric vehicles. Everyone wants that new car smell, and this electric vehicle is on 0 kilometers. But now industry players want the government to help them make it easier for these locally, or at least assemble them for you to buy. Alanako, Prime Edition.